Welcome to our video on the dark side of NoFap's magnetism. NoFap is an online community that encourages abstinence from pornography and masturbation. Many members report benefits such as increased energy, improved mood, improved sex life and more. But there is a less talked about side of NoFap, the dark side of magnetism. You may be wondering, what is this magnetism thing? Well, it's a term used to describe the attraction that people feel towards someone who has been following NoFap. This can be seen as physical attraction, but it can also extend to emotional, intellectual, and even financial attraction. This can be used to attract good things in life like healthy relationships and professional success. But, unfortunately, this magnetism can also be used negatively. It can be used to manipulate and control other people, obtaining personal benefits at the expense of others. This is the dark side of magnetism, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Be aware that the dark side of magnetism is not an intrinsic feature of NoFap, but a consequence of the power acquired with the practice. In the next segment, we're going to give concrete examples of how magnetism can be used negatively and how to avoid falling into this temptation. Now, we're going to give concrete examples of how this attraction can be used to manipulate and control other people. For example, imagine someone has been following NoFap for some time and has acquired a large magnetism. This person can use this attraction to seduce others and obtain personal benefits such as money or influence. This person may even use this attraction to manipulate others into doing things they wouldn't normally do. Another example is someone using magnetism to gain an advantage in the workplace. This person can use this attraction to influence colleagues and superiors, climbing the corporate ladder. This can be done at the expense of others, leaving them behind and creating a hostile work environment. These are just a few examples, but unfortunately, there are many other ways to use magnetism negatively. It's important to remember that these actions violate ethics and integrity and should not be tolerated. We've discussed the dark side of NoFap's magnetism and how to avoid falling into the temptation of using it negatively. But what happens if you've already fallen into this trap? How do you make amends for the harm you've caused and regain control of your actions? First and foremost, you must be aware of how it may be affecting your interactions with others, and if you notice any negative behavior, it's important to address it immediately. Another important step is to surround yourself with people who also value integrity and ethics. Having a support system of people who will hold you accountable for your actions can help prevent you from falling into the temptation of using magnetism negatively. It's also important to remember the purpose of NoFap, to improve oneself and one's life. Using magnetism negatively goes against this purpose and ultimately will lead to negative consequences not only for you, but for those around you. But be aware that even with all these precautions, the magnetism can be so strong that it can take over you and your actions, leading to a spiral of darkness and corruption, where you become a puppet of your own magnetism. This is the true terror of NoFap's dark side, and it's important to be aware of it. In conclusion, while NoFap can bring many benefits, it's important to be aware of the dark side of magnetism and take steps to avoid falling into the temptation of using it negatively. Remember that with great power comes great responsibility. In this video, we've discussed the dark side of NoFap's magnetism, how to avoid it, and what to do if you've already fallen into the trap. We hope this video has helped you understand the importance of being aware of the power that can come with NoFap and to use it in a responsible and ethical way. Remember, NoFap is about self-improvement, not manipulation and control. As you continue on your journey, we encourage you to stay mindful of how your actions may be affecting others and to strive to always do what is right. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. It will help us to produce more content like this. And don't forget to leave a comment. We would love to hear your thoughts on the topic. See you next time.